This is the gutter cutter. Mike Van Duzee at Keep On Growing has given us a great idea of using downspouts for our hydroponics. But getting these things cut is not as easy as it looks. If you're using just a regular hacksaw, man, you're going to get it wobbly all over the place. Now, if you have access to a big electric miter saw, that's great, but not all of us do. So this is the solution. First, mark your length. Snug the gutter cutter up to your cut line. Tape the lip of the gutter cutter to the gutter cutter. Make sure your line stays straight. Okay, so I also like to cut each side on its own. So I'm gonna cut this side first. You can feel it when it breaks through. And last side. So I find that is the best way to get a good flat cut. After that, you want to take just a rag and just kind of run it over the edge to get all the little chunkies off there. Sometimes I need to clean it up with a little pair of shears, but it doesn't look like I have anything here. That's how we cut off the downspouts to make whatever length we want. Next step would be mounting your end caps on. Hey, if you like these, you can pick one up in the links below. Give me feedback or how you would modify this to make it better. I'm MJ, thanks for watching and keep on learning.